Hello everyone, welcome to GetonAgain CAD online lessons. Today I will teach you make men's t-shirt patterns. Open the size table to edit the size. You can open the Excel file. OK. Check it and make patterns using the formula mode. Open System Setup. Check them. Edit the software lens unit. OK. Use the Intelligent Pen tool to draw lines. Press the left button and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle. Double-click the part name to select it. Edit the formula to determine the length of the line. OK. Press the spacebar and right-click to show all the lines. Press the spacebar and left button to make a rectangle. Now release the left button. Left-click. Release the spacebar. Zoom in on a rectangle area. You can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Move the mouse on this point. A red dot is displayed. Press the right button and move the mouse. You can see two red lines. Release the right button. Right-click to change the position of the red line. The red line is in the correct position. Left-click. Write the line size. OK. These lines used to determine the neck width and depth. Connect the 2 points to draw the neckline. Right-click on the line and the cursor changes to the Modify function. Left-click on the line and move the mouse to modify the line. Left-click in blank area to finish. Draw the front neckline in the same way. Use it to check the symmetry of your lines. Left-click on the axis of symmetry. Left-click to select the line. Right-click to confirm. Left-click on the line to modify it. Move the mouse on point. Click Delete key to delete the point. Right-click to finish. Draw the shoulder line. Use the angle line tool. Left-click the line. Left-click the point. Left-click the line. Right the angle. OK. Use the Intelligent Pen tool to confirm the shoulder width. Right-click the line. Edit the width of the shoulders. OK. Right-click. The cursor changes to T. Right-click on the shoulder line. Determine the location of the bust line. Move the mouse on the point. Press the left button and drag the mouse. Move the mouse over the line and release it. Choose the armhole depth. OK. Left-click point. Right-click to switch to T function. Right-click the line. Move the mouse on this point. Click and key to offset the point. I need to offset a point to the left. Write a minus here. Offset 2 cm. OK. Draw a vertical line. Modify the armhole line. When you modify the line, you can press the Ctrl. Use it to check the symmetry of your lines. The front and back are completed. Draw the sleeves. Use it to measure the length of the armhole. Left-click the line. The toolbar displays the length of the line. Check it. Click Record. Edit the name. OK. Use the Intelligent Pen tool to draw the sleeves. Draw a horizontal line. This is the width of the sleeves. Move the mouse on this point. Press the left button and move the mouse to this point. Release the left button. Move the mouse and left-click. Select the armhole. OK. Draw the curve of the sleeve. Modify. Draw the length of the sleeves. Draw the sleeve opening. Connect the line and modify. Use it to mirror the sleeves. Right-click to end. The sleeves are finished. The design lines of the t-shirt are drawn. Make pattern. Use it to make patterns. Left-click the line in order. The lines will change color. Right-click to finish. Move the mouse on the pattern and press the spacebar once. The cursor changes to a hand. Move the mouse to move the pattern. Left-click to fix the position of the pattern. Make all patterns. The patterns have been auto-graded. You can click F4 to show base size or all size. Modify the theme of the pattern. Left button select the lines. Right-click to confirm. Write the number. OK. Add the theme for the sleeves. Select this theme type. Write the number. OK. Click F7 to show a hide theme. Use it, change the green line. Right-click on the green line to rotate. Use it to add notches. Left key select the line. Right-click to display the notch dialog. Write the number. OK. Use it to symmetry the pattern. Open it to edit the pattern information. Edit the name. Material. Copies. OK. The t-shirt pattern is finished. Save the file. Write the file name. Save. Thanks for watching.